Finding veins on the first try can be tough and painful. But that guesswork is primitive now, all thanks to the Vein Viewer by Christie Medical. This device uses near-infrared light to project a live image of your veins directly onto your skin, helping clinicians locate veins instantly. Unlike traditional vein finders, Vein Viewer enhances the entire vascular access process before, during, and after the needle stick, reducing failed attempts and improving patient comfort. Powered by HD imaging and DF2 digital full-field technology, Vein Viewer goes beyond simple vein detection. It can visualize blood flow up to 15 millimeters deep and clinically relevant veins up to 10 millimeters deep, making it invaluable for patients with hard-to-find veins. Its trademark System A, VIN, aka Active Vascular Imaging Navigation System, allows real-time assessment of vein refill rates and flushing, giving healthcare providers a complete picture of vascular health. Vein Viewer offers multiple viewing modes customized to patient needs.